Ask yourself this: if time is real, why does every second feel like it slips through your fingers like smoke? If the future hasn't happened yet, why do some people swear they've already seen pieces of it? If the past is gone, why does it still control us like a ghost that refuses to let go? If time only moves forward, why do the laws of physics insist that the universe doesn't care about direction at all? And if the universe truly began with one single moment, who or what ignited that very first spark? Time is the silent architect of everything we experience, yet no one can define what it actually is. Is it a river, a cage, a dream we're trapped inside, or just the universe's cruel trick to keep us marching forward? In this episode, we dive into the science, the myths, and the mysteries of time itself. We question the equations, the legends, and even our own perceptions, as we confront the one illusion that none of us can escape: time. So, if you're ready to step outside the clock, if you're ready to explore the timelines we were never meant to see, hit subscribe and let's take the first step together. Time. A word we use every day, yet a mystery none of us can truly grasp. It feels like a river carrying us forward. Minutes, hours, years sweeping us along. But what is time really? Has the past truly disappeared? Or is it still out there somewhere, frozen like a photograph we can't reach? Is the future an unwritten possibility, or a script already carved into the fabric of the universe, waiting for us to arrive? Most scientists insist that time is a one-way road, a straight line that moves forward and never looks back. But what if that line hides secret doors? What if the one-way flow is nothing more than an illusion we've been trained to accept? Throughout history, the dream of time travel has haunted the human mind. Could we return to the past and fix the mistakes that broke us? Could we leap into the future and glimpse the destiny waiting for us? Books and films have asked this question endlessly, from H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to the modern sci-fi stories that define our age. Humanity had always wanted one thing: to break the chains of the clock, to slip beyond the borders of time. But maybe the real question is this: is time travel truly possible? Or is it a cosmic mirage we will chase forever, but never reach? Science tells us something unsettling. Time isn't a steady river at all. It stretches, it bends, it warps under the right conditions. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the faster you move, the slower time flows for you. Push an astronaut to near light speed, and they would age far more slowly than the people left behind on Earth. This is the famous twin paradox. One twin stays on the ground, while the other speeds through space at unimaginable velocity. When the travelling twin returns, they are younger. A living reminder that the doorway to the future already exists within the laws of physics. And we see hints of this even today. GPS satellites orbiting Earth tick at a different rate than clocks on the ground. If we didn't constantly correct that difference, your navigation system would be off by kilometers. Technology itself proves that time can be bent not just in theory, but in practice. But the past? That's where the universe becomes complicated. Physicists speak of wormholes, cosmic tunnels that might connect distant points in space and in time. If such a bridge could remain open, a traveller might step through and emerge in a different era, or even a different future. The problem? Wormholes are violently unstable. To keep one open, you'd need exotic matter, a form of energy we have never confirmed to exist. Other theories imagine closed, time-like curves, paths where space-time folds back onto itself, follow such a curve, and you could return to the very moment you left. But this opens a door to paradox. If you travel to the past, could you change the event that led to your own birth? And if you could, how would you exist to go back in the first place? Quantum physics complicates things even further. Particles can exist in multiple states until we observe them. A cloud of possibilities collapsing into one reality. What if time behaves the same way? What if the future already exists as a stack of possibilities, and we simply haven't chosen one yet? Science doesn't close the door on time travel. It leaves it cracked open. Just enough for imagination and just enough for madness. We treat time as if it's absolute, as if it's the one solid truth the universe can't bend. But what if time isn't real at all? When physicists examine the fundamental laws of the universe, they notice something strange. The equations don't care about past or future. Mathematically, yesterday, today, and tomorrow can exist side by side, like pages in a book you haven't read yet. So why do we experience only now? Why is consciousness trapped in this single moving spotlight? Some believe the answer lies in entropy, the great law of disorder. The universe tends toward chaos, not order. A shattered glass doesn't leap back together. Heat spreads, systems decay, and that irreversible slide creates the appearance of a forward-moving arrow of time. But even this isn't proof. Entropy explains the direction of experience, not the existence of time itself. Then there are the stranger theories. Some scientists propose that our universe might be nothing more than a simulation, a cosmic program running on incomprehensible hardware. If that's true, then time is just a rule written into the code. There's no rewind button, not because physics forbids it, but because the system simply doesn't include that feature. Just like a game that won't let you reload a moment you already lived. Maybe time travel is real, just not in this version of the universe. Maybe the developers of our reality lock that function away, and we, trapped inside the simulation, call it a mystery, when it might just be a limitation. Time travel isn't just a modern obsession. Long before equations, telescopes, or physics existed, ancient cultures were already wrestling with the boundaries of time. In Hindu mythology, the universe unfolds through endless cycles: creation, destruction, rebirth, all repeating on a cosmic scale. One single day in the life of Brahma is equal to billions of human years. When Brahma sleeps, the universe dissolves. When he wakes, it begins again. To them, time isn't a straight line. It's a vast, eternal wheel. In the Abrahamic traditions, we see glimpses of time bending as well. The story of the 7 sleepers in the Quran describes young men who fall asleep in a cave and wake centuries later, as if time itself paused for them while the world outside raced forward. Similar hints appear in the Torah, where prophets are suddenly shown distant futures or lifted into visions beyond their own era. In Islamic mysticism, transcending time is seen not as a scientific feat, but as a divine possibility, a moment where the human soul briefly steps outside the boundaries of creation. Ancient myths echo the same fascination. Greek oracles at Delphi claim to speak of events yet to come. Roman priests consulted sacred books believed to contain the future already written. To these cultures, time wasn't a locked door. It was a thin curtain that certain people could peer through. The Aztecs believed the cosmos was born and destroyed repeatedly, each cycle a new version of reality. In Zoroastrian thought, the universe moves through recurring ages, echoing endlessly across eternity. Modern physics calls these ideas cyclic universes, multiverses, or recurring timelines, but the core fascination is the same. Across myth, religion, and folklore, humanity has always asked the same question. Are we truly bound by time? Or is the universe far stranger than we imagine? Maybe our obsession with time travel is nothing more than the mind chasing a door that was never there to begin with. Some philosophers argue that the past, present, and future all exist at the same time. Not as moments, but as locations in a vast cosmic landscape. This is the block universe theory. Reality as a complete film reel, every frame already exists. We're simply moving through it, one scene at a time. But if the script is already written, where does free will fit in? Are we truly choosing our path, or just acting out a role assigned long before we were born? Others take an even sharper stance. They say time is an illusion, a trick of consciousness. When we dream, we don't question the flow of time, the jumps in logic, the moments missing between moments. We just accept it. What if waking life is no different? What if time is the dream, and we are the dreamers? In the end, our search for time travel collapses into a single question. Do we move through time, or does time move through us? Are we passengers on a track, or are we the track itself, carrying every memory, every moment, every possibility within us? Perhaps we're not trying to escape time. Perhaps we're trying to understand what we truly are. Maybe, in our chase for time travel, we've been looking in the wrong direction. Because every one of us is already on a journey we can't step off. A one-way passage from birth to death, from the known to the unknown. Time might not be a road we walk, or a river we drift along. It might be a dream, a boundaryless, shifting dream in which we briefly open our eyes, call it life, and then fade again into whatever comes next. St. Augustine once said, "There is no past or future, there is only the now." But the now never stays. It slips away the moment we touch it, a shadow fleeing from our hands, so maybe we never stand in the present at all. Maybe we spend our lives suspended between the echo of what's gone and the whisper of what hasn't arrived. And that leads to the final, uncomfortable possibility. Perhaps we cannot travel through time because we are time, woven into its flow, inseparable from its motion, as water is inseparable from the river it completes. So here's the question left hanging in the dark. Is time travel a destination we can reach, or the greatest illusion the universe ever created? We've explored time from every angle. The science, the myths, the illusions, and the unsettling possibility that time isn't something we move through, but something woven into what we are. And yet, this journey is only the beginning. Because if time itself can bend, shift, or deceive, then the question that waits ahead is even stranger. What happens at the end of time? Does the universe freeze, collapse, begin again? That's where we're heading next. So if you want to keep walking with me, beyond the clock, beyond the boundaries, into the deep end of the cosmic unknown, hit subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next episode.